This is Sarahberry. You can't believe what we just found. Come on, I got to show you. Come on with me. Two weeks later. The robin sleigh blew eggs.
It's a robin's nest.
It's a robin's nest. Found a woodpecker nest. See that hole? That's where woodpeckers go in, go down into the tree, and then go to their nest about here, I think. It's hollow. See that hole? It goes down and it's very hollow. You hear that knocking? It sounds like they're knocking inside when you tap on it. It sounds like a barrel. And we just found so many woodpecker holes. I am so excited! Woodpeckers, some are babies, and some are grown-ups. This is a big tree. This was very old, probably 90 years old, or 40, or 41. Who cares? It's just giant, and it has woodpecker holes. Oh, look at this! Look at this little hole. Probably it's from a worm. Something. But this little tiny hole is definitely created from termites. Termites are little bugs that create little tiny holes for their home. Hi everybody, we're here at some killdeer eggs. It's a bird. So they lay their eggs in rocks. They have the color of rocks. We found other killdeer in parking lots, but we found this one in a gravel road. Let's look at a killdeer pretending to be hurt. Mama killdeer pretend to be hurt because she's trying to lead the predators away from her babies. Hey everybody, we found another nest. Come on, my papa's going to help me lift that board. Oh, my papa's going to lift the board. There's a ton. There's thousands. What are these things? We'll know soon what they are when they hatch. I don't know what these are because they have brown spots and white eggs. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 14. 14 eggs! The one in the middle is the one that has no polka dots, only the one on top of them. So my papa is going to put them back. Put the board back over. It's 14 quail quail eggs, and they were amazing. Hey everybody, we are going to see some quails at our chickens. So, follow me. Come on.
How did the quail get in here?
Mama found him this morning in the chicken pen. She let them in here. That's how they got in here.
But we're going to let them go because where do quail actually belong?
In the wild.
Right. So they got into the chicken yard this morning and we're in with the chickens. So we're just looking at them and then we're going to let them go.
Can I hold one?
Yes, we have to carry them out. They can't get out of the chicken pen by themselves. All right, you ready?
Ready.
All right, this is the boy. See the blood on his beak? That happens because they fling themselves against the pen trying to get away. And then with this little girl, she's got a little bit on her beak too. That's why you cannot keep wild animals pinned, right, Sarah?
Right.
So we have to let them go. Now this one, she looks a little bit calmer. She didn't get herself all bloody. Do you see above her beak there? Let me try to zoom in on her. She's not bloody above her beak. So she's a little bit calmer. But he, poor guy, he got a little hurt. But see his beautiful feathers? See how he's prettier than the girls? In the bird world, boys are prettier than the girls, right?
Why?
For protection, because the girls are usually sitting on eggs. The mamas sit on the nest, right? So they have to be more camouflage. Okay, now these guys are getting pretty excited. So let's go ahead. We'll put them all down and we'll let them all go at once, okay? All right, let her go. Let them go, Sarah. There they go. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Go out and have more quail babies, right? Go out and have more quail babies.
So, this is the end of my video. Bye-bye. I hope you don't forget to subscribe.